Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about uploading and organizing documents in a virtual data room. Let's go. Uploading documents to a VDR. To upload documents to a VDR, you'll need to log into the VDR and navigate to the document sections. From the documentation section, you can click on the upload button to upload your documents. You can upload individual documents on multiple documents at once. To upload multiple documents at once, you can compress the documents into the zip file and then upload the zip file. Once you have uploaded your documents, the VDR will automatically process the documents and make them available to users who have access to the data room. Organizing documents in a VDR. Once you have uploaded your documents to the VDR, you will need to organize them. You can create folders and subfolders to organize your documents into logical categories. This will make it easier for users to find the documents they need. To create a folder, click on the Create Folder button in the document section. To create a subfolder, click the Create Subfolder button in the folder. You can also drag and drop documents between folders to organize them. Tips for uploading and organizing documents in the VDR. Here are some tips for uploading and organizing documents in the VDR. Use a consistent name convention for your folders and files. This will make it easier for users to find the documents they need. Use a folder structure that makes sense for your business or transaction. For example, you may want to create folders for different types of documents such as financial documents, legal documents, and marketing materials. Set user permissions. You can control who has access to your folders and files. For example, you may want to give certain users the ability to view all documents, but you may restrict their ability to download or print certain documents. Track user activity. You can track user activity within the video to monitor who has accessed your documents and what they have done with them. This can help you to identify any suspicious activity and to ensure that your documents are being used properly. Additional tips. Use a video template. Many video providers offer templates that you can use to create data rooms from different types of transaction or projects. This can save you time and effort when creating data rooms. Use a document management system. If you have a large number of documents to upload to the VDR, you may want to use a document management system to organize your documents before uploading them to the VDR. This can help you to save time and to ensure that your documents are uploaded in a consistent manner. Test your VDR before using it in a live setting. This will help you to ensure that everything is working properly and that your documents are uploaded and organized as expected. Conclusion. Uploading and organizing documents in a video is relatively easy process. By following the steps above, you can quickly and easily upload your documents and organize your documents in the video. If you have any questions about uploading and organizing documents in a video, please leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you. That's all for today. I hope you have understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.